Good morning, sweetheart. Your wedding dress is ready.
What? Oh crap! What did I do?
She's my client.
Client?
I thought since Elizabeth couldn't be at your wedding, maybe part of her could be with us.
I'm not getting married, especially not to Max.
Max is a great match. We've already discussed this.
But Father, I don't even know that man. Would Mom really have wanted me to be unhappy?
No! Made it very clear in her will. You get the company only if you marry.
But Dad...
This isn't about your feelings. It's about your duty to your family. And this conversation is over.
Fine. If you don't care who I marry, then I'll marry him. Here, my fiancé.
Richard, nice to meet you.
And how long have you two been acquainted?
You have no idea how long.